Good afternoon, folks. I'm Mike Wells, Your World Explorer, and today we're going to look at a little machine called the Sunjoe Mulcher. I just got this thing for Christmas. It's a 15 amp Sunjoe. I hope you can see that. Yep, 15 amps. I'm going to take a bucket and stick it right here. Right? Now, this thing's interesting. This is the paddle that you use to complete the shoving of the branches into this weird hole right here, right? And if it ever jams, you just pull this, you just unscrew this, pull it up, but obviously you want it off first and unplugged. So let's put that bucket there. I got a square bucket. It's just an old Tidy Cats kitty litter bucket going into reuse, being repurposed. And then I'll shove a brick behind it just for extra support, just like that, right? And then we'll go ahead and shove some branches in. Now what I got here is a big old pile of sable palm fronds, and they've dried up pretty good. Alright, I stick it in starting from this side, and then I just jam it all the way in like that, and pull this top piece out, and next thing you know, we're good to go. So let's turn her on and give it a little demo. I'm using this stuff as mulch. I want to try it out, see if it has any good effect on the soil, as I've been going with no mulch, no fertilizers, none of that, no amendments, and now I want to start doing the things that happen in nature. I want to mimic nature and kind of just expedite it a little. There we go. About what I got left over. So all I do is take this and shove it into my garbage can, and then we're good to go. Anyhow, this thing seems to be working out good, and these are not dulling the blades out like oak wood is going to dull the blades out. So I haven't shoved any oak wood into this thing. And the diameter of this hole is like 1.5 inches. Right there, or 1.7, somewhere around there. So you don't want to stick too big of stuff in there. But I'm going to try this stuff out to keep me from having to sharpen those blades as often. And, hopefully this stuff makes the soil a little bit more fertile than it is right now. Let's take a look at the end result of shoving these branches, these palm branches in. What you get is this. It's pretty well eaten up. I mean, that looks good to me. So amending my soil with this is going to probably do some good, I think. So let's go look at the area I want to amend. Alright, here we have the raised bed. I just want to mostly put tomatoes in here because they seem to do well. Peppers too. So I'm just going to pretty much do all tomatoes and peppers in this raised bed because they do well out in the full sun. And well, you can tell right here, still doing alright. Now what I have too here, some nematodes infecting the roots. That's why some of those died. It's not a winter issue. You can tell the healthy roots are giving green tomato plants still. The unhealthy roots, they got killed off. But anyhow, this is dumping right in here. I want to put about 6 inches worth. So it's going to be, sticking over the sides, probably up a good little bit. Want to have it real full. That way it holds good moisture a lot better than this straight sand. And it gives all the soil organisms a lot of material to work through. So this should work a little bit. We'll see. I don't know the chemistry of the palm branches and all that. So who knows, this might backfire on me, but we'll give it a whirl. Anyhow, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated on the progress. Have a good day.